I've been acting for a long time, but I think that I'd shied away from a lot of acting schools because I'm not going to pay tons of money every month to have some person tell me how to act in a scene. I mean, that's just, what if I don't agree with how they think Stella should be played? And what the Acting Center does is that they teach you how to be the best you that you can be. How do you play this character? And find the specificity of the character, of the emotions, of the actions. There's so many different exercises that you do. There's never a class where you don't work. I've definitely started getting called in a whole lot more, booking a lot more, and I'm totally comfortable with what I'm doing. It's totally changed my acting. I've got a lot more creativity, doing things that I never, like writing my own films when I never thought that I'd be doing that. It was very refreshing to come to the Acting Center. I recommend it to people all the time. I think it's a great gem.